In this video I am going to explain how to draw the front, side and top view of a given object. So if you haven't watched any of those basic videos, the link will be available in the description, kindly check it out. So in this given question you have to draw the orthographic views. So now open Autocad. So once you open Autocad, the first comment you have to give is limits, and lower left corner should be 210 and upper right corner should be 297. The second command you have to give is units. The precision should be 0. So now we have to draw the front view of this given object. The brown color shaded portion will be the front view. So when we see it from the front side, it will be seen like a rectangle. So a rectangle of 80 into 60 mm. So now go to Autocad and select the line command and draw a rectangle of 80 into 60 mm. So once you draw that, we have to draw this line. When we see from the front, that line will be seen. So we have to draw that line now, 20 mm above from the bottom. Now trim extra line. Select the first object and press enter, and now select the part you want to trim. It will be trimmed. So now you have to draw a line at 10 mm below from the top line and trim the extra part. So this is how the front view looks like. Now we will draw the side view. This green color shaded portion will be the side view. So draw the bottom line first, then line for 20 mm. So this length will also be 20 mm. So total length is 60 mm. So if you minus 20 from that, the length of this will be 40 mm. So the total length is given as 40 and the semicircle is for 20 mm. So the length of both the side, the lines will be 10 mm. So draw the 40 mm splitted into 4 times as 10 mm. So length of this line will be 40 mm. It's 40 mm. So once you draw this line will be 20 mm, and next this line will be 20 mm. Now what we have to do is we have to draw the semicircle. So go to circle and select the center point and draw a circle for radius of 10 mm. So the diameter will be 20 mm. Draw the circle like this. So once you draw that, now we should delete the upper semicircle. So select the reference line and then press enter and select the upper semicircle. It will be deleted. Now delete this reference line. So that's how the side view will be seen. So now we have to draw the top view. When we see from the top, the blue color shaded portion will be seen. That is the 4 rectangles and the semicircle surface. So we have to draw this 5 surfaces when we see from the top side. So first go to line and draw a square of 80 mm. Now we have to draw the lines, each surface line we have to separate the surfaces. So it will be like 20 10 20 10 20. So now delete this 2 lines, go to line and draw a line for 20 mm, and next 10 mm, again 20 mm, again 10 mm, and again 20 mm. So now we have to repeat the same procedure on the other side also. 20 mm, 10 mm, 20 mm, 10 mm and 20 mm. So now join this line from one side to the another. Join next line. So that's how it looks like from the top view. So if you have any doubts, comment in the comment section. Even my mail ID is available in the description. You can mail me so that those doubts will be solved in the upcoming videos.